you girl, you look nice. You look nice. Hi guys, it's your girl Couture Shanz and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be introducing a new series to my channel called Sew and Tell. As the name suggests, I'll be sewing some unique pieces just as you see here behind me and then telling you guys about it. Of Sew and Tell, I'll be giving you guys a sneak peek into my new collection, GOODA DAN GOLD. This collection includes vibrant colors such as oranges and yellows. As the name suggests, GOODA DAN GOLD, and that's the first thing that came to mind. Vibrant, beauty, golden. So the first piece in the collection here is Orlais Monokini. The Orlais Monokini is a mix of both spandex as well as crochet. Yes, I've always had a love for crochet and I decided to incorporate it into this collection. So the lay top has a bandeau looking design. As I said, it is crochet and the bottom is spandex. So the bottom comes in white and brown. It comes with some unique sleeves that are actually detachable. So they can be worn with or without the sleeves. How cool is that? So this is the bikini. Can get a closer look, and it is also decked with some cute little beads here, as well as on the ends and on the bottoms here. So this is lay, guys. We also have lay 2.0, which is also a mix of crochet and spandex again, but this one is in a vibrant orange. So lay 2.0 is also decked out with some gold embellishments. I don't know why I have a love for gold lately, but it makes everything better. So on the top here, it's a standard bikini top with a triangular cup, and I added some gold buckles at the top here. It's not functional, but it does add a little zhuzh or a little something extra to the top. So this is lay 2.0. Lay comes with spandex bottoms, and again I added some gold embellishments. Like, come on, GOODA DAN GOLD, you get the vibe. So this is the bottom, and it's a pretty standard bottom, but trust me when I say the material is just so luxurious. It's so soft and comfortable on the skin. Oh my god, I wish you guys could feel this right now. Next we have the Aria Monokini. Oh my goodness, I think this has to be my favorite piece out of the entire collection. Aria has a cutout at the neck down to the bust area with a drawstring detail to the side. Again, I had to add some gold embellishments. Say it with me guys, GOODA DAN GOLD. So this time I added some unique diamond encrusted studs. Guys, this just makes the Monokini look so much more luxurious. I mean it is, but come on. So this is what is at the ends right here. It's so cute, and the back has a really nice low cut. It has minimal coverage. It's not a thong, and it's not really covered entirely, but it has a minimal coverage at the back here, which, you know, gives a little sexy vibe. And the front has a high cut as well. Oh my goodness, can't wait for you guys to see the piece. I'll try and insert some as we go along. So this is Aria, and Aria actually comes in orange as well. As I said, orange and yellow. Well, orange and gold, because this is more gold than yellow, or sunshine yellow if we may, were just at the top of my list when designing this collection. So here we have Aria in orange, Same details, same embellishments here, and a low cut at the back. So cute. Okay guys, now we're going into the cover-up segment. I rarely design cover-ups, but this time I could not allow these wonderful pieces to go without, you know, something to complement it. So I designed 2 cover-ups. So this is the Sani Cover-Up. Oh my god, do you guys see her? Let me give you a 360. This is the back, front, sleeves. Oh my goodness, this is just so cute. You girl, you look nice. You look nice. It has side slits down here to the knees on both sides, and I added some color to the sleeves, you know, just to block it a bit, and you know, just to enhance the yellow that is already here. It is two-toned throughout, and then with the orange on the sleeves. I love it. So the Sani Cover-Up is also in orange, as in orange being the dominant color here, as opposed to yellow. This is Sani. So as I said, it has the orange being the dominant color here at the front, and then I switch it up a bit and put yellow on the sleeves of this one. So they're very similar, but you know, they were transposed in terms of collection, guys. I hope you love it just as much as I do. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section, like, share, and subscribe to my channel to see more of Sew and Tell.